What's up, guys? If you're welding regularly, the right helmet can make a huge difference in visibility, comfort, and eye protection, especially during longer jobs. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best welding helmets in 2026, from lightweight budget-friendly models to premium helmets with true color optics, large viewing areas, fast auto-darkening response, and advanced digital controls. We compared optical clarity, viewing area, shade range, sensor performance, comfort, headgear design, durability, and overall value to help you find the right welding helmet for your needs. Whether you're a trained adult doing occasional projects or working in a professional shop, there's an option here for you. All product links are included in the description below, so check them out for the latest price and availability. Now, let's jump straight into the countdown. Number 5. Jackson Safety Insight Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Starting our list at number 5 is the Jackson Safety Insight Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet, a lightweight option built around clear visibility, adjustable protection settings, and comfortable headgear. What stands out to me first is the 1/1/1/1 optical clarity rating with true color technology. That means the viewing window is designed to give you a clearer, more natural-looking view while helping reduce eye fatigue during longer work sessions. The auto-darkening filter offers variable shades from 9 to 13, along with digital sensitivity and delay controls. It also includes separate weld, torch, and grind modes, so the helmet can adapt to different professional tasks without constantly changing equipment. Another strong point is the 4 arc sensors. They're designed to improve detection coverage and reduce the chance of the sensors being blocked during use. The viewing area measures about 3.94 by 2.36 inches, giving you a good field of view while keeping the helmet compact. Comfort is also a major selling point. The HLX shell is listed at just 6 ounces, while Jackson's 370 speed dial ratcheting headgear makes fit adjustments quick and easy. Pros: excellent 1/1/1/1 optical clarity. True color viewing technology. Variable shade range from 9 to 13. 4 arc sensors. Lightweight adjustable headgear. Cons: viewing window is smaller than some oversized premium helmets. Digital controls add more settings to learn than a basic fixed shade helmet. Overall, the Jackson Safety Insight offers strong optical clarity, useful digital controls, and a lightweight design while meeting ANSI Z87.1 and CSA Z94.3 standards listed by the manufacturer. For trained adult welders comparing protective helmets, check the product listing for current specifications, price, and availability. That makes the Jackson Safety Insight our number 5 pick for the best welding helmets of 2026. Number 4. Optrel Panoramaxx 2.5 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Coming in at number 4 is the Optrel Panoramaxx 2.5, a premium auto-darkening helmet aimed at trained adult welders who want a much wider viewing area, natural color reproduction, and automatic shade control. What really stands out to me is the panoramic field of view. Optrel says the design provides up to 6 times the viewing area of a standard welding helmet, while the integrated nose cutout positions the filter closer to the eyes for a more open view of the work area. Another feature I like is the true color filter with a light state shade of 2.5. It's designed to provide more realistic color perception, which can make positioning and inspection easier between welding operations. The autopilot system automatically detects arc brightness and adjusts the shade from 5 to 12. If you prefer more control, autopilot can be disabled and the shade selected manually. A 5-sensor array helps the helmet detect the arc from different angles. Power is also convenient. Instead of depending only on replaceable batteries, the Panoramaxx uses a rechargeable lithium polymer power pack with USB charging, along with a high-performance solar cell. Pros: extra-wide panoramic field of vision. True color filter with shade 2.5 light state. Automatic shade adjustment from 5 to 12. 5 arc detection sensors. Rechargeable USB power system. Cons: the listing gives conflicting weight figures, about 550 g in the description but 3 pounds in the specifications. No manufacturer warranty is listed. Overall, the Optrel Panoramaxx 2.5 stands out for its huge field of view, automatic shade control, true color optics, and rechargeable power system, making it a strong premium choice for professional welding environments. If you're a trained adult welder comparing premium protective helmets, check the link below for the latest price, specifications, and availability. That makes the Optrel Panoramaxx 2.5 our number 4 pick for the best welding helmets of 2026. Number 3. Miller Digital Infinity Welding Helmet. Taking the number 3 spot is the Miller Digital Infinity with Clearlight 4X, a premium auto-darkening welding helmet built for trained adult welders who want a large viewing area, strong optical clarity, and advanced digital controls. What stands out to me first is the 13.4 square inch viewing area. It gives you a much wider look at the workpiece, which can make positioning and checking your work feel less restrictive than with smaller welding lenses. The Clearlight 4X lens technology is another strong selling point. It's designed to provide a brighter, more natural-looking view, while the light state shade of 2.5 helps improve visibility before and after the arc is active. For different tasks, you get weld, cut, grind, and X mode. X mode is especially useful because it is designed to reduce sunlight interference and maintain reliable auto-darkening performance even when the normal arc sensors are partially blocked. The helmet also includes 4 arc sensors and AutoSense technology, which automatically adjusts sensitivity based on the working environment. Digital controls let you adjust shade, delay, and sensitivity, while 2 memory presets make it easier to return to your preferred settings. I also like the addition of InfoTrack 2.0, which records arc time and arc count. For professional shops, that can be useful for tracking productivity and estimating job time. Pros: huge 13.4 square inch viewing area. Clearlight 4X lens technology. Weld, cut, grind, and X mode. For sensors with AutoSense. InfoTrack 2.0 plus 2 memory presets. Cons: more features and controls than occasional users may need. Premium design may cost more than basic auto-darkening helmets. Overall, the Miller Digital Infinity stands out for its large viewing area, excellent visibility, versatile operating modes, and professional productivity features. If you're a trained adult welder who values a wide view and advanced control, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Miller Digital Infinity our number 3 pick for the best welding helmets of 2026. Number 2. ESAB Sentinel A60 Welding Helmet. Coming in at number 2 is the ESAB Sentinel A60, a premium auto-darkening welding helmet built for trained adult welders who want a wide viewing area, fast lens response, and plenty of control over their settings. What really stands out to me is the 4.65 by 2.80 inch viewing area. It gives you a broad view of the workpiece, while ESAB's OptCS True Color lens technology is designed to provide more natural color and better visibility. The auto-darkening filter offers a DIN 3/5, 13 shade range, adjustable in half-step increments. You can also lock the shade when you want consistent protection instead of automatic adjustment. Another feature I like is the 4 arc sensors paired with a very fast 0.08 millisecond switching time. That combination helps the lens react quickly while improving detection coverage from different angles. For professionals who frequently change between jobs, the helmet can store up to 9 custom settings. It also includes indicator LEDs for low battery, grind mode, and shade lock, making it easy to see the current operating status. Pros: large 4.65 x 2.80 inch viewing area. OptCS True Color lens technology. Fast 0.08 milliseconds switching response. 4 arc sensors. Stores up to 9 custom settings. Cons: replaceable CR2450 battery rather than a rechargeable power pack. Advanced controls may be more than occasional users need. Overall, the ESAB Sentinel A60 stands out for its wide view, fast response, true color optics, and extensive memory settings, making it a strong choice for trained adult welders who want a high-end helmet for regular professional use. If you're comparing premium welding helmets, check the product listing for the latest price, specifications, and availability. That makes the ESAB Sentinel A60 our number 2 pick for the best welding helmets of 2026. Number 1. Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Taking the number 1 spot is the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350, a premium auto-darkening helmet built for trained adult welders who want excellent optical clarity, a large viewing area, and comfortable headgear for longer work sessions. What stands out to me most is Lincoln Electric's 4C lens technology combined with a 1/1/1/1/1 optical clarity rating. It's designed to reduce blur, distortion, color saturation, and shade inconsistency, giving you a clearer view of the workpiece and welding area. The helmet also gives you a large 12.5 square inch viewing area, which can make it easier to see more of your workspace without constantly repositioning your head. The adjustable shade range runs from 5 to 13, covering a broad range of supported applications. Comfort is another strong reason I'd consider this model. The X6 headgear system is designed to distribute weight more evenly and reduce pressure points, which matters when a helmet is being worn for extended periods. At around 1.4 pounds, it balances protection with relatively manageable weight. It also includes useful extras such as a helmet bag, bandana, 5 outside cover lenses, 2 inside cover lenses, and a decal sheet. Pros: excellent 1/1/1/1 optical clarity. Lincoln Electric 4C lens technology. Large 12.5 square inch viewing area. Comfortable X6 weight distribution headgear. Strong 5-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: premium features usually put it above basic helmets in price. Large shell may feel bulkier than ultra-lightweight models. Overall, the Lincoln Electric VIKING 3350 stands out for its excellent lens clarity, wide field of view, comfortable headgear, and long warranty, which gives it a strong combination of visibility, comfort, and long-term value. If you're a trained adult welder looking for a premium helmet with strong optics and comfort, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Lincoln Electric VIKING 3350 our #1 pick for the best welding helmets of 2026.